Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all doing? How is everyone doing? As you can see, I am doing very great today. Today I will be teaching you how to make African jollof rice, precise Nigeria jollof rice. So the first thing I will be introducing to you today is chicken. So today I will be using chicken to make the jollof rice. This is the chicken. So here are the tin tomatoes. I have salt here. I have 2 onions, and I have fresh pepper. I have 2 cubes of Maggi. I have rosemary. I have black pepper. I have non-classical Maggi, Dado. So here I have my tomatoes. So there is another pot here. This is I will be putting it here. The tomatoes here. Okay. So we have to that now. Now I have to brown the onions and fresh pepper. First of all, I have to have fresh pepper inside the blender. Now I will be adding onions. I did not finish the onions, because I have to use the other onions to fry. So now I will be adding a little bit water. We start drowning it now. Okay, now I'll be adding the onions and the fresh pepper inside to parboil. Butter. Okay, now let's start. I have to cover it at least for 40 minutes to parboil. I have to cover it for 40 minutes. See you later, guys. As you can see, guys, I did not put water in the pot because the chicken already have water. So I have to put the chicken down. First of all, put onions inside. Okay, guys, as you can see, I just put onions in the pot now. There is no water because the chicken have water already. When it's boiling, you will see it. Now I'm putting the chicken now. With no water, guys. If you want, you can add water on yours. First of all, I wash the chicken with the salt before, so that everything will be clean. You see how the chicken is very neat. So if you want, guys, for your chicken to be very plain, you can add water. You can add water and salt together to wash it very well. Now I'm putting on it. We're adding Maggi now. Then to season the meat, I have to add rosemary to bring a nice taste. Okay, now I have the black pepper. Adding Maggi classical, Dado. have to add a teaspoon. Now we turn it a little bit. You see, guys, no water inside, but later, in the next few minutes, you will see water inside because it's boiling. Don't need to add water because the chicken will have water later. But if you want, guys, you can add water and just okay. I have to give it a little bit. This one is a strong chicken. I have to leave it for at least for 20 minutes. See you guys later. Okay, guys, you see what I was telling you talking about before? There is water already inside. You see the water? I did not add any water inside before. You see the water is inside already. I have to turn it a little bit now so that everything will get inside. See you guys later. Okay, you see the pot I have because we are doing party. This is party jollof rice. So you people will be asking, oh my god, what? See the kind pot this guy is using. Now we are doing party, so I have to make party jollof. So I have to now I will be adding, so there is oil already. Okay, now onions. We are going to toast the stew. I have to turn the onions. Just the washing station. These tomatoes I have to toast it. Oh my god. Okay guys, add the tomatoes now. Have to turn it. Okay, the tomatoes is still in the fire. I'm still toasting it, but I have to leave it for a while because it's not yet ready. I have to toast the stew before putting the rice inside. See you guys later. I have my fried pan already in the fire. There is oil. So now I want to start frying the chicken. Yeah, my chicken. See my toasted tomatoes. The stew I've already toasted. Now very soon I will be putting rice inside. You see how it look like? Toasted stew. I love the scent of this stew. Wow. Do it very well. You see it? Have a nice smell, you know. Now, right guys. Okay guys, now I'll be putting the rice inside. This is party rice. Party jollof rice. Nigeria jollof rice. I have to turn it now. of the chicken. Sorry guys. Okay, now I have to be turning it. I have to mix everything together so that the stew will get inside. Okay guys, I'm removing the chicken from the pot now. Okay. Putting the third one. Okay guys, I'm putting butter inside because the rice is almost ready. So I have to turn it with the butter now because... Okay guys, I covered the rice already with the butter. So I just want the butter to melt so that I will turn it. The next few minutes I will open it and turn the rice again. See you guys later. Okay guys, I have to turn it now. I bring the pot down because it's too high for me. So I'm doing it with the floor now. Because the pot is too high for me. I can't turn it very well. So from here I can turn it very well. So the butter already melted inside. I have to turn it so that everything will get in. This is Nigeria jollof rice. You see? Wow. It smells so good. So nice. I like eating it already. This is party jollof rice. Okay guys, now I have to put it back again. It's almost ready. In the next 2 minutes, I put it already in the gas. Now I just want to leave it for 2 minutes. Food will be ready. See you guys later. Okay guys, this is outcoming of my jollof rice. Thank you guys for joining me. You can see how the rice look like. Beautiful. See the turkey here, the fried turkey. See the chicken. Wow, it's so nice. I can't wait to eat jollof rice. Thank you guys for joining me today. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have subscribed before, thank you and God bless you. Bye.